Let's now talk about the use of graphical display calculator to solve a system of linear equations in two variables. A system of linear equations of two variables, it means I have two simultaneous linear equations that I want to solve them, having the unknowns to be x and y. The general form for a system of linear equations having two variables is I have a1 times x plus b1 times y is equal to c1. This is the first equation. The second equation is a2 times x plus b2 times y equals to c2. To solve a system of linear equations or simultaneous equations in GDC, we have to first write in general form, write both equations in general form, then we use the GDC to solve for x and y. Let's have an example now. Use your graphical display calculator to solve the following system of linear equations. I have the first equation, x plus 3y equal to 6, and the second equation, 2y minus x minus 12. Now, I have to write both equations in general form. The first equation is already written in general form. I have x plus 3y is equal to 6. To write the second equation in general form, I need to take the minus x to the left-hand side, ending up to have the x plus 2y is equal to negative 12. Now, I go to my graphical display calculator, exit again, I go to the menu, equation, I choose F1, which is simultaneous equations. The number of unknowns are 2, so it gives me a simultaneous equation, two unknowns, which are the x and y. Now I need to fill in with the coefficients of x and y and with the value of c, which is the constant. For the first equation, I have 1x plus 3y and c to be equal to 6. For the second equation, I have 1x also plus 2y and c equal to negative 12, and I simply press execute, having the value of x to be negative 48 and the value of y to be 18. So the solutions are x is equal to negative 48 and y is equal to 18. By this, we could find the solution for these simultaneous equations having x to be negative 48 and y equal to 18.